In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert audio in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to add a sound file or record your own narration, preview it, fine-tune playback settings, position the audio icon neatly, and save your work with confidence. Start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint and opening the presentation you want to work on. If you're already in a deck, great. Just make sure you've saved a recent version so you can easily revert if needed. Next, click on the slide where you want the audio to appear. Audio is added to the selected slide, so choosing the right one first keeps everything organized. Now head to the top menu and click the Insert tab. In the Media group, you'll find the Audio command. Click Audio, and you'll see two main options. Audio on my PC lets you insert an existing sound file from your computer, which is perfect for music, sound effects, or pre-recorded narration. Record Audio lets you capture your voice directly in PowerPoint, ideal for quick commentary without leaving the app. If you choose Audio on my PC, browse to your file, select it, and click Insert. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This represents the audio object. If you choose Record Audio, give your recording a clear name, click the red Record button, and start speaking at a steady pace. When you're done, click Stop, then OK to place it on the slide. A quick tip, speak close to your microphone and watch your surroundings for background noise so your audio sounds clean. To test your audio, click the play button on the speaker icon and listen through. If the volume feels off or you hear extra silence at the start or end, don't worry, you can adjust that next. Select the audio icon and go to the playback tab. Here you can choose whether the audio starts automatically when the slide appears or on click when you trigger it during your presentation. Use trim audio to cut out long pauses or unwanted parts at the beginning or end. Adjust the volume to match the rest of your presentation sound levels. You can also loop the audio if you want it to repeat, and choose to hide the icon during the show if you don't want it visible to your audience. Finally, drag the speaker icon to a clean spot on your slide. Often a corner works well, so it doesn't cover important content. When you're happy, press Ctrl+S to save your presentation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.